How'd that start?
Huh?
You remember how it started?
Yeah, it was like, made it through the struggle, got it off the muscle. Wanted Gucci on my buckle, so I had to hustle.
What is up? Thanks for tuning in. After like 10 days, I finally got my bag. So I'm gonna try and do that right now. If I don't post this video because I couldn't do it, but it should be fairly simple. And then finally get this shit back on the wheel. So I just jacked up the car. I put a jacks in there. I'm using my jack on the other side. The front, I lifted up all the way off. My exhaust, my muffler actually. Like, so from like right here, from the wheel back, I'm gonna have to heat wrap that again. And then might as well make a hanger for it because it's touching my rear lip. So when I get a new one, because this one's broken a little bit, so when I get a new one it's not touching and it doesn't melt it. I'm also gonna have to flip these because damn, this hella camber, it's even, but just flip it to it. I'm taking off the seat clamp so I could rewrap muffler exhaust over with more heat wrap, and then I will put a shield on it. I want the shit out of me then.
Eventually.
Yeah, the battery's dying.
20 minutes later.
Shit's off. Now we take this shit off from the hanger, and the bag is right there. Whoa, look at that shit. It just kept going layer after layer after layer. Holy shit. Alright, so right now there's this little nut right there, like where the line goes. I don't know if you can see it. Fuck. Oh, right there. But I'm just using one of these to take it off. Damn, what the fuck? I replaced that caliper like 4 months ago. Looks like the fucking Nismo caliper color, like the stock ones. Man, this is being a fucking bitch. So this bag goes screwed in, but while I spin it, this one spins out. So I spin this, and it takes this with, but I don't know. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck I'm saying. Look at that cute ass girl. Fucking racer. All you have to do is with your hand. You're all struggling. Alright, so we took this shit off. Just spin it out.
I took it off.
You took most of it, but you were like, I give up. So pretty much I took it off. This shit is loose. Scrunchy for the win. Ugh. Now we take the toppies off and put it on the new bag. Here's the damage. Alright, so we just went to the store real quick and we picked up this big ass Allen wrench, and looks like it's doing the job. Hopefully we fix the shit ASAP. Alright, so we're back home. I don't know what the fuck this nigga's doing.
Hey, where the fuck is your other bag?
Oh, it's inside. Okay, fine. I need to lock it. Scared.
Let me put him first.
Yeah. Hey, don't we need to take this off?
Oh yeah, huh?
We do.
We do?
Wait, let me see the back of that one. Oh fuck, we do.
We do.
How though?
¿Y cómo se sale?
Alright, so right now we're gonna put this line at the bottom of the bag. Here, record this shit. Just record like right there.
Is it recording?
Yeah, it is.
Alright.
Hey, cause I wanna go to Tacoma already.
To Tacoma for what?
Car parts of the Lexus. Yeah, fuck it like that. No, don't look at my junkyard stuff. I think that. Alright, stop recording. Stop it.
Oh shit. Hey, nah.
Hey, my side skirt.
Hey, nah. I can't get it anyway.
Oh fuck.
It's hella hard.
All we gotta do is connect it. Connect that shit. Pull that thing back. Pull it back. Yep. Put it in. Now pull it back.
What the?
The line, the black line.
Oh shit.
Is it stuck?
Oh shit.
Try it again.
Oh yeah.
There?
Yeah.
Alright.
That's good.
How are we gonna put this back though?
What?
The line.
Oh, so basically we're done?
Yeah, we're pretty much done.
Hey, put this. Screw it in right there with the screw.
I'm gonna do it with the zip tie. And
Oh,
we just
yeah?
take it to like the storage, and then
okay.
this. I don't think it matters.
Put your wheel on. Some shit. Are you gonna have to lift it up over here? Huh?
Déjame mirar si agarra ahí el carro. Antes de... Okay. It's fucking loud because I don't have the muffler on right now. Oh yeah. Alright, thanks for tuning in, and catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.